Welcome back to another wonderful episode of Formidable Fabrications. Today we're going to change it up a little bit. I am going to the northern part of Maryland to pick up something I've been looking for a while. That's a classic Coke machine. So why don't you take a ride with me? We're arriving to our destination. People get around. Alright, so here it is. From what I know, it's a 70s model machine made by Vendo, which is a pretty common soda vending machine company. So there's lots of lights in here, a lot of night lights. Alright, so it's a pretty clean machine inside. It's like all the rubber's in reasonably good shape. It's supposed to take cans. I don't know if it's adjustable for bottles, although it does say something down here about bottles or cans. So I have to check that out, but it looks like it's just cans set up for now. So I think it just needs to be cleaned a little bit. But I think this will be cool. Be a nice collection piece for my garage. Yeah, I love that wood trim. So hopefully I can get it where I can just like put a button here and hit the button and it like automatically makes it sense that there's coins in there. And then I don't need actual coins to run it. You just push the button and it makes it work. Damn, no coins. Guess I paid full price for it then. Oh well. Alright, cool. Well, that's a wrap. I bought this one, but I don't really care for it because it only takes bottles. It's not adjustable of any sort. This one I think is more adjustable and usable. So decided, hey, why not? We'll try and see what we can do. See if this thing will work. So I just threw a new end on because when we were loading it against the trailer, the end pulled off. The wires are pretty nasty anyway. The coupling inside is pretty chewy. It's pretty gross. But so I threw this on. So let's plug it in, see what happens. All right, here goes nothing. It's hard to do this with one hand. No sparks. There is sound coming from it. We got lights saying make another selection. There's nothing in the, there's no cans in there right now. There's no sparks, no smoke. You can definitely hear it running. This fan is definitely blowing. Yeah, you can hear the compressor trying to kick on. I don't know if it's stuck or if it's bad or if it's low on Freon. Not 100% sure, but every time it goes on, the lights dim and the fan slows down a little bit. So I don't know if it's bad or what the deal is. I don't know much about these things, but it seems like everything is operating at least. So anyway, that was my morning. So there you go. Just a day in the life of me. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film getting it loaded. The guy wasn't terribly keen on being filmed. But once we get this thing hooked up, I'll post a little short on it, show you it working. Meantime, I got to figure out exactly what this is. So if any of you guys out there know what this is or have a good place to buy parts or just any advice about it, I'd really appreciate it. So if any of you guys know anything about this, it's a Vendo Coke machine. Please leave me a comment below where I can find parts or manuals of any sort. So thanks, and I'll catch you on the next one.